Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our first in the series of Lockdown 2 weekly assemblies. I would like to first of all signpost an amazing new service called Couth. This is for all year groups. As you can see from the notice board, the website is easily available and free to use. Couth provides an online counselling service for young people to use who may benefit from speaking to somebody during this difficult time. Couth have specially trained staff to chat with online through a completely anonymous service. Not only that, but through the website you can access articles written by young people on current affairs and also provide you with a space to write a daily journal. Please feel free to sign up at any time. For this next slide, I'd like to go back in time. This poem is from a well-known cartoon, but it really encapsulates how powerful it is to know you have somebody to talk to. I'm going to pause in a moment for you to read the poem in full, but please consider that during this isolation, not everybody is lucky to have a big group of friends. For some people, just to know you have one person willing to listen to you will make a huge difference. So, with that being said, that brings me on to our weekly act of kindness. I ask you this week to consider a friend you may not have spoken to in a while. I'm sure using the many different social media platforms you have available to you, you will have a way to message them and reach out to say hi. I leave you now with my best wishes to you and your family, and stay safe from the Beacon Hill.
Hi everybody, and welcome to the first commitments challenge of Lockdown 2021. This first challenge is called Riveting Reading. Challenge is dead simple. All you have to do is read a book or a magazine. Now, this can either be a new book or magazine or your favourite book or magazine that you want to revisit. Once you've finished that book or magazine, you just need to send a review of it into Mr. Martin on the email address on this slide, saying whether or not you liked the book and why you did or didn't like it. This will allow you to tick off one of your learning that inspires commitment strands, and will also allow you to enjoy the pleasures of reading and really broaden those horizons and do something a little bit different from the day-to-day routine at the moment. So good luck everybody, and get reading. I look forward to seeing those reviews.